Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe in this pandemic. COVID has indeed changed our lives and balancing work and home has become a challenge for many people with all employees working from home. In such a situation, quick recipes that are easy, less time consuming yet delicious are your savior at this hour. This recipe of tawa paneer is a quick one, and if you have all the ingredients ready, it will hardly take you just 5 minutes. And trust me, it's delicious. So let's start. To make quick tawa paneer, you will need 200 grams of paneer cut into small cubes, 1 medium-sized onion cut into small cubes, 1 big capsicum cut into cubes, 1 medium tomato cut into small cubes, few cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, few green chilies finely chopped. You can adjust the number of green chilies according to your taste and the heat you want. In the dry masalas, we have the 4 very basic dry masalas: haldi powder or turmeric powder, lal mirch powder or Kashmiri red chili powder, dhania powder or coriander powder, and salt to taste. We also have tawa roasted kasuri methi. To start cooking, first heat a pan or a tawa and add cooking oil. I have used refined rice bran oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can also increase and decrease the amount of cooking oil according to how much you prefer. Once the oil is heated, add cubed onions followed by green chilies. Here we won't wait for the onions to turn translucent. Next we add the chopped garlic and saute for a few seconds. The entire process of cooking will be done at high heat like in stir-fried dishes. Saute these ingredients for a few seconds before moving on to the next ingredient, tomatoes. When we add the tomatoes, we won't wait for it to be mushy. Add the onions and saute for a few seconds without turning it mushy. Next, add the capsicum. Saute for a few seconds. Here all the vegetables will be cooked thoroughly yet crispy. You can also add red and yellow bell peppers if you want. Next I am adding the ginger paste and give all the ingredients a quick stir. Now I am going to add the dry masalas except kasuri methi. First add the haldi powder or turmeric, followed by red chili and coriander powder or dhania powder. Add salt to taste and give everything a quick stir. Add just a dash of water if you feel that the masalas are not coming together. Add very little water just to combine everything together and let the vegetables cook for a few seconds. You don't really need to cover and cook, just keep stirring the vegetables at high heat and keep adding little water if needed. Finally, when you see that the vegetables are crispy yet cooked through, add the paneer. I have not fried the paneer cubes. I am just using it directly into the mixture of vegetables. After you add the paneer cubes, stir gently so that the paneer cubes don't break. Let the paneer cubes combine well with the vegetables and the masala. Leave it for some time. After the paneer gets well combined with the masala and the vegetables, add in tawa roasted kasuri methi. Combine everything together and wait until the water dries out. Here, as you can see, the pan is dry and the water that I had added is not giving a flowy consistency to the dish. So now I know my dish is ready to serve. Tawa paneer is ready to be served with rotis or parathas or any Indian bread of your choice. Do try out this quick and very easy recipe of tawa paneer, yet very tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, do take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.